I saw you standing there on platform 9, looking like a ghost from a different time. The steam was rising in the freezing air. You didn't see me, but I was right there. You had that scarf on, the one I used to wear, with the same tired look and the messy hair. And I wanted to scream, I wanted to call, but my voice got lost in the station hall. The doors were closing, the light turned red, all the things that I should have said. And you're gone again, like a flicker in the dark, leaving me here with a broken spark. You're the beautiful memory I can't let go, the only person I'll ever truly know. I'm just a face in the crowd, watching you roam as you catch the last train home. Sounds by Faron. I remember the coffee in the plastic cups, how we talked until the sun came up. Now I'm reading the headlines on a crumpled page, feeling like a bird in a golden cage. The tracks go on for 1,000 miles, but they won't lead back to your crooked smile. Maybe in another life, maybe on another line, I'll be yours and you'll be mine, and you'll be mine. Yeah, you'll be mine. Yeah, you're gone again, like a flicker in the dark, leaving me here with a broken spark. You're the beautiful memory I can't let go, the only person I'll ever truly know. I'm just a face in the crowd, watching you roam as you catch the last train home. Last train home. I'll see you in my dreams, I suppose. Sounds by Faron.